The secret to great projects is with high-quality cuts, and you can make them more easily than you ever thought possible using your circular saw plus the Kreg Rip-Cut. The Kreg Rip-Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide takes the intimidation out of cutting and allows you to make cuts without measuring, without marking, and without having to keep the saw from wandering off of a cut line. The Rip-Cut turns your ordinary circular saw into a precision edge-guided cutting tool that makes straight, accurate, repeatable cuts in plywood, MDF, and other large sheets easy and accurate. And because projects often call for multiple pieces to be cut the exact same size, with the Rip-Cut, you can lock in a size and can be confident that with cut after cut, the pieces will be exactly the same size. Also, you can make these cuts anywhere you need to by taking your saw to the material instead of having to bring your material to the saw. The Rip-Cut makes this possible with a universal sled that holds your saw, an aluminum guide rail with built-in measuring scale, and an oversized edge guide that follows the edge of the plywood sheet to provide complete control as you cut. The universal sled can also be used on the Kreg AccuCut. The Rip-Cut works with just about any circular saw, whether it has a blade mounted on the left or the right side. Plus, the edge guide is reversible, so the Rip-Cut works equally well right-handed and left-handed. Mounting your saw on the Rip-Cut is quick and easy, and your saw can be removed for other uses, then reinstalled just as quickly. Using the Rip-Cut is easy too. Just lock the saw sled at your desired cut, from 1 inch up to 24 inches wide, then simply hold the edge guide against your sheet, turn the saw on, and go. A large handle on the edge guide that helps you maintain solid contact with the edge of your sheet. With the Rip-Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide, it's just that easy. There's no measuring and no marking, just straight, accurate, repeatable cuts every time. Visit us online at KregTool.com to learn more about the Kreg Rip-Cut, as well as our other Kreg cutting solutions that make cutting easy so you can start every project with confidence.